Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Saturday inaugurated multiple projects at Babadam in West Garo Hills in the presence of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma and PHE Minister Marcus Mara. One of the projects is the Garo Hills Agro Food Park, which is an initiative of all Garo Hills Multipurpose Cooperative Society AGH MPCS, led by Father Sunny Mavalil. The park is fully funded by the state government at an estimated cost of Rs 15.73 crore, comprises mustard processing unit, cashew processing unit, high-tech food lab, ginger processing unit, solar plant and 25 cold storage units. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the state government has outlined its mission to support farmers engaged in agriculture and horticulture. He also inaugurated the areca nut processing unit and laid the foundation for the PA Sangma shopping complex at Babadam.
By promoting processing and ensuring that the farmers' incomes goes up and employment is created and farmers get a better price for their products. I'm very happy to see that this is one of the processing plants. Like this, there are many processing plants in different parts of the states that are coming up, and will continue to add value and to put up more such processing plants so that our farmers can benefit.